Hi, this is Vikram here. I'm the founder of Astro Holidayz. We are a Dubai DMC. We have been using Sembark since last couple of months, and I must tell you, it's been an absolute game changer for us because we just started off in a very growth mode, and we were really looking for a partner who can kind of support us. And Sembark's application is exactly what we were looking for because it helps us manage quotes, manage the operations, the whole pricings of all the vendors, and as a founder it gives me visibility on the end to end of the business, right from generating a new inquiry till ensuring the groups are departed, and most importantly a profit statement as well, which tells me how much we made on the actuals. I've been in the sector for almost 9 years, and all these 9 years we have seen multiple companies where they have kind of done only used Excel sheets, and they have done it using ChatGPT and other things. But then having an application like this really helps out companies like us who are in the growth stage kind of adapt to our requirements and also kind of understand how to scale up, like how the big players would play, right? So let's look at some of the things that we would talk. In terms of challenges we have faced, it's more importantly that we want to address a bigger audience. But then how do you say if we had 10 quotes coming in and now we have added sales team, so we'll have about 20-25 quotes coming in. But does the team have the capacity without an application to manage it? No, because managing 25 quotes to 30 quotes or even 50 quotes is very difficult if you don't have an application as such. And Sembark really understands this, and I think a lot of thought has gone behind it to understand what are our exact challenges that we have had, and the next releases that come, actually they listen to our feedback whenever they do it. So that means a lot to us. What are the specific features that have helped us the most? Definitely, we've had features such as the operations module. Just take operations for example, right? I mean, quotations is one part of it, but how do I know where exactly a particular guest is? What are the checklists? Have we done this? And real-time tracking in terms of payments that have been made to suppliers, and also reflecting once you've prepared a quotation, also once they understand the fact that during the tours maybe we would have negotiated a better deal, or maybe we did some extra hours, and all those are something that is kind of gone in. So that really helps us a lot in terms of our ability to work on things as such, right? And the support and service has been excellent. That is one thing I think about Sembark that I love the most. They're always available on a call, and whenever you need anything, just have to kind of drop them a message on WhatsApp, and our point of contact is Sachin, and Sachin is the darling for us. He's always there, even if it's the simplest of the doubts. And it's not only about Sachin, it's also about Ananji, who's one of the directors. He's always available whenever you need something. It could be as small as a silly doubt for us, but then when we've implemented a new system, it takes a lot of time. We have to kind of get some hand holding, and they've never been shy away from hand holding us at all. And as a founder, I really feel DMCs have to use this and come out of their comfort of using normal Excel sheets and ChatGPTs, because that's not the way of doing it. And I think they've got the pricing model cracked as well, which helps small scale and medium DMCs to kind of scale and not really burn a big hole in the pocket and on the balance sheet. So I highly recommend Sembark for all those DMCs who are out there who think about automating their process but are shying away because of various reasons. I say just invest your time in the system, understand the system. The system really helps you. The more features you use, the more better it gets. And here are my wishes for Sembark team. You guys have done a great job. God bless you all. And we're really looking forward to all your new upcoming features as well. Thank you.